Alright, I got a piece of scrap metal here. And I was trying to find some videos online of people MIG welding art like this, but all you can find is TIG welding. I don't know, it's probably easier to do it on something bigger, but this is a piece of scrap I had. If you don't know who that is, it's Rick off Rick and Morty. Kind of looks like him. I just drew it out with a little paint marker onto this piece of scrap, and I'm going to take the welder, see if we can't make it look like that. I don't know if this is going to work or not. We're going to see. So, there's your Rick from Rick and Morty weld art. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this, or if you got comments or ideas of other videos that we can do like this, making this kind of weld art, please leave it down below in the comments, because I'm fascinated by all this stuff. But that turned out pretty dang good, I have to say. It don't look exact, but I mean, what do you expect? Somebody sees this and they know Rick and Morty, they're going to know exactly who this is. So we're going to test that theory out tonight on Bubs Vacations live stream. So we'll see if he recognizes who that guy is. So thank you guys. Hit the thumbs up button, hit the notification bell, and if you like videos like this, please subscribe to the channel. Please let me know what should we do next. Till next time, peace.